Today we are going to unbox OPPO F21s Pro. Now let's open it. There are two colors, black and dawn gold. This is dawn gold. The rear camera is 64 MP and the front camera is 32 MP. They have provided adapter, USB cable, then mobile cover, and then SIM card toolkit with a quick guide and safety guide. The main features are ultra sensing selfie with IMX709, 64 MP AI portrait camera, 8GB plus up to 5GB extended RAM, 33-watt super boot. If one steals your phone, it's not easy to power off it by just holding the power button. So you can easily track it, and then the camera The camera could show very minute details. See the prints of my hand. And this is good for photography. You can take portrait pictures of rose or leaves or anything. Now let's put the cover and see.